Every candle is telling you something. The problem is, most traders look at one signal and ignore the rest. So let's follow one clean 5-minute session and see what happens when 3 different pieces of information start telling the same story. First, VWAP. Think of it as the market's average value for the session. Price is trading above it, buyers are holding control, and the overall bias is bullish. That's our first filter. But being above VWAP doesn't mean we enter immediately. We still need to see how price behaves. Now watch the 9 EMA. Price pushes higher, then pulls back. And instead of breaking down, it comes back to the 9 EMA and reacts. That's important. Because the EMA isn't predicting where price will go. It's showing us whether the short-term structure is still holding. The trend is still intact. Now look underneath at RSI. While price was pulling back, momentum cooled off. That's exactly what we'd expect during a healthy retracement. The 50 line gives us a simple reference. And now, as price starts moving higher again, RSI turns back up through 50. Momentum is coming back. Now look at the whole picture. Price is above VWAP, the pullback is holding the 9 EMA, and RSI is turning back up through 50. 3 different pieces of information, 1 clean trading session, and now they're pointing in the same direction. That's alignment, not prediction. We're not trying to guess the next candle. We're waiting for price, structure, and momentum to agree before considering a trade. And once the move starts, we keep watching. Because the same signals that helped us recognize the setup can also tell us when the move is losing strength. RSI starts to fade. Price stretches further away from the 9 EMA. Momentum is no longer building the way it was before. That's the market telling us something has changed. And that's the real idea behind this framework. The edge was never VWAP alone. It was never the 9 EMA alone. And it was never RSI alone. Each one is just a different lens on the same market. VWAP gives us context. The EMA shows us structure. RSI gives us momentum. And when all 3 line up in one clean session, we have alignment. 3 lenses, 1 decision. 5-minute scalping isn't about predicting every move. It's about reading the chart, waiting for your conditions, and following your own plan. This is a framework for understanding the market, not a promise of profit.